Hey there, Tad here from Marketing for Hippies. Just a quick video today. Well, we'll see. Talking about what we talk about intro workshops or also on social media. I think a lot of times we assume the only thing we can share are the quick tips, the 7 steps to this, 3 steps to this. And of course that's compelling stuff to share and that people want to read. But I want to suggest that there are deeper things in our point of view, and I've got the ebook Point of View Marketing. I'll put the link below, and I've talked a lot about point of view before. The point of view pyramid, where the very top of that pyramid is 1% of it is that stuff, the tactical how-to stuff. But there's something much deeper, and so here's the thought: is that most of the time when people come to us, it's not just that they need a solution to their problem. What they actually need is a whole other way of seeing the problem. They need a different way of comprehending and understanding the problem. Because people come to me and say, well, how do you close the deal in a more conscious way? And I'm like, we need to change the whole concept of closing deals to be opening conversations. How do I give my pitch better? We need to stop pitching things and start having conversations. You hear what I'm saying, that there are often such fundamental differences in worldview that these things need to be lifted up. It's not just that they need to be able to see the problem better, they need new eyes with which to see it. They're on island A, and there's, with a problem, some symptom that they don't like, they're struggling with. They often need an entirely different way of understanding why they're stuck on that island, because their understanding hasn't gotten them off the island. You hear what I'm saying? That's what's kept them stuck, is that they keep seeing it in a certain way, often, not always, but that's often the case. And so what they most need from us is some kind of refreshing, often unorthodox, unauthorized, and unthought thought. A completely different angle on it. Not a different way of describing the same thing, but kind of moving to the side, looking at it from behind, this type of thing. So this is the deep work of doing the point of view, articulating your own point of view, is how is it that you think people need to see the issue and see the journey and see the result? So those are my thoughts today. I hope that's useful. Hope that resonates with some of you, and take care.